Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Finally, calm has returned to South Africa's weather following the passage of a strong cut-off low over the past few days. But there are two weak fronts approaching the Western Cape. This could bring some light rain tonight. Snowfalls are very visible on the satellite image of this morning after cloud is cleared overnight, and we'll also investigate rainfall observations following the Durban storm. More than 100 millimeters of rain was reported in a two-day period in Durban, but much of that rain occurred yesterday morning. In contrast with that, Pietermaritzburg only reported 32 millimeters in a two-day period. More than 200 millimeters were observed in Paddock, and 175 millimeters of rain occurred in Coffee Bay during the course of Monday and Tuesday. Now let's take a look at this morning's satellite image. A lot of the cloud cleared overnight. There were still remnants of cloud along the north coast of KZN, and we can see that the low has moved off away from South Africa. Thick snowfalls visible on the high ground of Lesotho, as well as the Drakensberg and the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. This morning also started off with fog patches along the west coast and in Cape Town's Table Bay. Clear weather countrywide for the rest of the afternoon, but it will become cloudy along the southwest coast and adjacent interior this afternoon ahead of two approaching cold fronts that will also bring some light rain overnight. There's a very low risk of rain for the Cape Peninsula, but slightly better chances in the Overberg and along the southern coastline during the course of this evening. There is a warning for high seas after yesterday's strong winds along the east coast. Wave heights could still exceed 6 meters between Durban and Maputo for the rest of the afternoon, but will start subsiding this evening. The wind forecast still shows strong winds for Richards Bay today, speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour, moderate speeds for East London and Durban, a moderate southwesterly breeze in Cape Town and Vredendal, and winds will become stronger this afternoon over the western interior. We're expecting a mild day in KZN, highs up to 22 degrees in Richards Bay and Durban, but we're expecting slightly cooler weather for the interior of the Eastern Cape, 24 for George and 22 expected in Cape Town, Uppington at a high of 31 degrees, and a warm day for Gauteng with a maximum of 27 in Pretoria. For Thursday, there's a slight chance of thunder showers in the evening for Pietermaritzburg, light rain spreading from the Eastern Cape to KwaZulu-Natal tomorrow evening, and Friday we're expecting a hot day for the western parts of South Africa, but it will stay cloudy and cold in the east with a possibility of light rain. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.